Hello everybody. In this video, I will show you how to add sub-bullets in Notion. Have you ever found yourself needing a better way to organize your thoughts or tasks in Notion? Maybe you've been trying to break down complex ideas into simpler parts, but weren't quite sure how to do it seamlessly. Well, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use sub-bullets to make your Notion lists more structured and visually appealing, which can be incredibly helpful for any project or personal task you're working on. Let's dive into it and see how easy it can be to create these neat, indented lists that will make your notes clearer and more organized. To begin with, creating a basic bullet list in Notion is a straightforward process. Here's how you can get started. First, simply type the / key on your keyboard. This key is typically referred to as the / key. As you do this, you'll notice that Notion's command palette will appear, offering you a range of options. Start typing bulleted list into the command palette. As you type, Notion will provide suggestions, and you'll want to select the option that says bulleted list. You can do this by either clicking on it or pressing the Enter key when the option is highlighted. Immediately, you'll see your first bullet point appear, ready for you to begin typing. Now, let's move on to the fun part, adding your content. Start typing whatever you want for your first bullet. This could be anything, maybe a main topic like groceries or project tasks. It doesn't really matter what it is. The key point is that this will be your headline idea or main category. Once you've finished typing your first item, simply press the Enter key to create a new bullet point right underneath it. You can continue this process, adding more main bullet points. Each time you hit Enter, Notion will automatically generate another bullet point for you, making it quick and intuitive to list multiple top-level items. But what if you want to break down one of those main bullet points into smaller, more detailed parts? For instance, under the groceries category, you might want to list fruits, vegetables, and snacks as subcategories. This is where sub-bullets become really useful, and they're incredibly easy to add. After you've typed your main bullet and pressed Enter to start a new line, you should now press the Tab key on your keyboard. What this does is indent your cursor, and within Notion, it transforms the bullet point you're currently working on into a sub-bullet. This sub-bullet will be nested neatly beneath the previous one. Instead of all your bullet points lining up at the same level, you now have a nice tree-like structure, similar to what you see in well-organized outlines or meeting notes. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect immediately. Sometimes it might take a moment for Notion to catch up, but soon you'll see the bullet shift inward, appearing as if it's placed under its parent point. You can repeat this process as many times as you like. For each new main bullet, just press the Tab key to create as many layers of sub-bullets as you need. And if you happen to indent too far by mistake, just press Shift plus Tab. This will outdent the bullet, bringing it back up to the previous level. The system is really flexible, almost like outlining on paper, but with the added benefit of digital ease, allowing you to create sections and subsections for any kind of information. For a quick example, imagine you're making a to-do list and you want to break down a big task into smaller, more manageable steps. Sub-bullets are perfect for this scenario. You could have something like Prepare Presentation as your main bullet. Then, by pressing Tab, you add sub-bullets such as Draft Outline, Find Images, and Rehearse Speaking Points. This method helps you visually separate big ideas from the details, so your lists don't become jumbled or overwhelming. And there you have it. Adding sub-bullets in Notion is as simple as starting with a bulleted list, pressing Enter for new points, and then using the Tab key to create those handy indented sub-bullets. Try it out and experiment with nesting different layers. You might be surprised at how much neater your notes and lists can look. And that wraps it up. If how to add sub-bullets in Notion feels easier now, subscribe, because plenty more guides are on the way.